Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. With bright colors and fresh flavors, this breakfast recipe is the perfect way to celebrate spring. And these hash browns are so easy to make, will sure to become your family favorite. So let's go and make it happen. So first take some medium-sized potatoes and peel them with the vegetable peeler. Wash them thoroughly. Then take some ice cold water and a cheese grater, and from the big holes just start shredding your potatoes in the icy cold water. You can do this process in a food processor with the grating attachment. Then transfer your shredded potato into the colander and wash with cold water until water runs clear. Then drain the potatoes very well and then transfer them into a clean kitchen towel and squeeze the extra water. Next, finely chop some onions and then place them in a mixing bowl. Then add shredded potatoes and crack an egg and all-purpose flour. Then season it with some salt, black pepper, and some paprika. And then mix everything until all the ingredients are combined very well. Then heat oil or butter in a medium-sized fry pan and make a half-inch thick patty, and then transfer it into a sizzling hot butter. Now you can make a big size hash brown, or like I am doing, a pancake sized patty. It's depend how you and your family like to have your hash. Now cook the potatoes until they are nicely brown from the bottom, which takes like around 5 minutes. Then flip the potatoes and let it cook for another 5 minutes so it's get nicely brown from the other side as well. Then transfer your hash browns onto a piece of paper towel to drain some excess oil. You can season with salt and pepper at this time as well. Then serve them hot with a side of fried egg or scrambled eggs, some fresh fruits, cup of coffee or a juice, and make it a complete meal. This is a great versatile recipe. You can substitute potatoes with sweet potatoes and season accordingly. In just few simple steps, you can make perfectly golden brown, crispy hash browns at home. And if you're trying this at home, please don't forget to take a picture and send it to me. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.